Hello everyone, how you are doing? In this video, we will guide you on how to hide and disable all items on Windows 11 desktop. By enabling a group policy or tweaking the registry, you can permanently hide everything from your Windows 11 or 10 desktop. Using this tool, you can remove the default icons, shortcuts, and other user-defined items from the desktop, including the briefcase, recycle bin, computer, and network locations. Activating this policy will not prevent the user from starting the programs or opening the items they represent with another method. Also, make sure enabling this policy will prevent right-clicks on the desktop, so users cannot create new files or folders there. However, the user can copy and paste items from another place to the desktop if he so desires. The desktop icons will remain hidden even if you unhide them using the Folder Options dialog. Nevertheless, it is possible to revert the settings so that desktop icons are displayed. Here is how to configure the settings. How to hide and disable all items on Windows 11 desktop using group policy. To hide and disable all items on Windows 11 desktop through group policy, first, click on the Start button and type Group Policy. In the search results, click on the Edit Group Policy. Then, expand User Configuration. Expand Administrative Templates. Expand Desktop. On the right side, double-click on the Hide and Disable All Items on the desktop setting. Select the enabled option in order to hide and disable all desktop icons. This will also prevent right-clicking on the desktop. If you want to revert the changes and want to unhide desktop icons or allow right-clicking on the desktop, select the Not Configured or Disabled option. Then, click the Apply button. Click the OK button. At last, reboot your PC to apply the changes. We had said before you can also apply this setting using Registry Editor. Here is how to do it. How to hide and disable all items on Windows 11 desktop through Registry Editor. To hide and disable all items on Windows 11 desktop through Registry Editor, first, click on the Start button and type Registry. In the search results, click on the Registry Editor to open it. Now, copy and paste. HKUI_current_user /Microsoft/Microsoft/current version /policies/explorer. In the Registry Editor address bar and press Enter key on the keyboard. Please note you can copy this path from this video description. Now, right-click on the Explorer key and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name the newly created reg_dword to No Desktop. Then, double-click on the No Desktop reg_dword and set its value data to 0 to unhide, and enable editing on the desktop. And to hide and disable all items on the desktop, you need to type 1. Ensure this also disables right-clicking on the desktop. When you're done, click the OK button. Finally, reboot your computer to change the take effect. Let me know via comment if there is any problem. Don't forget to like and share this video. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.